kung anong gusto.
A follow-up question to you. I know there's gonna be a lot of comparisons between you and Marian, you being the villain. Ano yung sasagutin mo sa mga comparisons between you and Marian?
Kung Marian and ano ba? Huwag naman natin isyuhan. Kasi,
Since you've been, ano yan?
But definitely, may comparison.
Yung kanta, Since You've Been Gone.
Mas malaki ako.
Since You Were Gone.
Aminado naman
I
ako.
never thought
Pag
that
mukha
I
na sa nanay. Pero ano mo yun, lang. Kaya, alam mo, ayoko
Did you
ayoko
dare?
isipin yung mga sasabihin ng tao. As far as I know, okay kami ni Marian and
then,
There you go, and we're gonna carry it over to Mo. Mo, what's up?
Thank you. Hi, Eva. Don't say it's not your fault. It is almost your fault.
We know.
Binibigay lang, di ba? Kailangan talaga magaling ka. So when you say it's not your fault, it is a little bit your fault in a good way. You earned it, di ba?
oo, pero at the same time, it's not our script na may karapatan.
Don't worry about always getting jealous. Okay, eto na. I have to go that nakikita ko tayo sa Facebook mo. Mga Facebook. Ang status ng Facebook mo ay Mary. It came to a point na sa sobrang dami nag-react sa Facebook na nakasal ka na, dinelete mo. So ano ba ito dito? Did you think na, alam mo yung internet, hindi ka
Ako naman, Ben.
Kahit ilagay ko doon, I have a daughter, I have a son. It's my adopt. I can put any name I want. Kasi syempre, alam mo yun,
Malayo!
yung mga tao, like ako, ayoko minsan makahanap ako ng tao. So, I don't use my real name. I use my name, tapos ako yung nag-a-add sa tao.
Pero bakit? So why did you put Mary?
Wala, I'm in love right now. I'm
Kaya-
happy with my life and alam mo yun, normal sa kabataan ngayon na kapag naniligaw ka, jowa mo na yung tao. Tapos pag jowa mo na, kasal na.
Okay, so question.
Baliktad!
When are you getting married? Are you getting your
Nakaganon